Spacious, customized, 2-bedroom plus office, 2-bath detached villa with a 2-car garage and over 2,000 square feet living area. Enter to vaulted ceilings in living and dining room. Kitchen has wood cabinets, pantry, serving bar, and opens to large breakfast room and family room. Office has a wall of bookshelves and cabinets and could easily serve as a 3rd bedroom. Newer LVP floors in master, office, and laundry room. Indoor laundry offers 2 double closets, utility sink, pull-down ironing board, and upper cabinets. Nook in oversized garage is great for workshop or storage, plus pull-down stairs lead to a partially floored attic for additional storage. HOA only $132 yearly for care of common areas and to fund security patrols throughout the neighborhood. Make this your new home.